you doing?
Nevin shield, soft wash in the house. Or fence, I mean. Yeah, you see here, just going on the soap. Nothing fancy or special or nothing.
Out here, saving neighborhoods. One fence at a time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. We'll take a look at that before it drives out.
Very clean, eh? Ah! Very clean, eh? Canadian.
Oh, yeah. Fucking A, bud. Hey, bud.
Hey, this is a green one, eh?
Ha.
Look at all that here. Look at that. And then this is like the best part. Watch this. Look at all this green in here, dude.
I know, dude. It's gonna come out so nice.
First thing I'm doing is just putting a nice coat of soft wash solution on there.
Now, what's the special soft wash solution?
Dude, it just kills the algae in the mold, man.
What do you put in it? Like your own special?
It's a special blend.
I heard you put your own special something in it.
No other soft wash companies have this. None.
None.
You know?
We put something in it that, you know, it kills all of our competition.
You know, everybody that soft washes, you all use a similar chemical, but we put some special stuff in it. And our special stuff,
It has to do with genetics.
it makes it 155 times better than
Anybody. Anything.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, you can hire other soft wash companies, they're going to do a good job. And you can see here, I'm applying soap. They're going to do a good job, but they simply can't do as good of a job as us. And it's not that they don't want to do a good job, it's just that more or less they can't. So, you can see here, we're just applying the soap. And before Quentin started recording, I already soaked up
A little bit.
that wall back
That
there.
one. That was pretty bad, but I mean, it's already about
Yeah,
going.
it's already starting to...
Throw another little coat on
That's
there.
more or less background stuff, so that's not really the focal point of the video, but...
You get the gist.
Yeah, we'll put a little bit of soap on there, and then we'll get in there and blast it. And now for the fun part, bro. Now we're gonna get that turbo tip, you know. And this is always the exciting part, in my opinion. This is the part that is more
This is where it gets fun.
fun than any other part of the business, you know.
And we learned from Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice, that's right.
They said that this nigga fucking her. Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. I'ma go try, I'm go fuck it up. Get a records, I pop my boss. Say you want me, then you out of luck.